Doha Cruise.
Stay.
Inside. It's for free. And you can come here from Saturday to Thursday at 12 to 9 p.m. Free lang siya, guys. Let's go.
So what do you expect here?
Something like museum, maybe. Actually, yung purpose namin is just to walk.
A few moments later.
Wow! Babe, I'm already from showing God. Explore Qatar. So ito yung sahig nila. May naligaw na buntit. So babe, what is this?
Big aquarium, guys. We have big aquarium here inside, and
They
this
have
one are
FIFA.
about FIFA, all about FIFA,
Yeah.
and this one
Explain it. Para silang paintings.
paintings
Ano?
about Qatar.
Toilet din ako.
Lalaki mo na lang. And this one, hindi ko alam. Yun lang yung meron dito, but it's for free, so kung may sasakyan kayo and you have time, so why not come here and see
Ito yung
big
ano,
aquarium.
yung sahig nila.
Okay, we're going to the toilet, guys. Yun yung purpose bakit kami.
Ano sa... Ano ba?
Okay lang. Kung gusto nyo makakita ng big aquarium, you can go here in Doha Port, and it's for free only. You can see different fishes and lightings. Ganun lang. But it's for free, so why not? Lubos-lubusin nyo na. Wala kang ginagawa, and if you want to explore this place, then come, guys. Bye! Baby! Gawas na, baby! Actually, today is her due date. It's her 40th week. But still, She don't want to go outside and see the world. She's enjoying my tummy. She loves swimming. Anyway, hopefully by November 2 or November 3, baby, you can go out to work. We wanna see you because your dad is so gigil na. Bye. Hi guys, this German cruise ship arrived yesterday night, I think. Until tomorrow lang siya. We're planning to come here again tomorrow morning at dawn para maganda yung effect ng picture sa sunrise. And the next boat will come, or boat talaga, the next cruise ship will come on 10th November. So, I think